Drivers one with Avalon National. I want to give you a little tip about your fifth wheel grease. Whenever you're at a customer like Amazon International Paper, you gotta drop your trailer. Keep a putty knife back behind your fairing, so while you're getting offloaded, you can get the grease that's built up, not being used, and reapply it to your fifth wheel. It'll actually save you some money by not constantly buying fifth wheel grease. And do the same thing for the other side. Just a quick tech tip.